Hello, hello. We are going with body coordination now. It will be class for beginners. I will break down all very, very basic steps and moves that you can practice at home. So, first, very important for me is that you will learn this step because I'm going to use it in many other exercises. I call it double triple step and it works like this. I start with left, left, together, right, together, and triple step. 1, 2, 3, and then to the right. Right, together, left, together, and 1, 2, 3, and tap. And I'll do the same in tempo. And 5, 6, 7, tick, and left, ticky, right, ticky, 1, 2, 3, ticky, right, ticky, left, ticky, 1, 2, 3, ticky, left, tap, right, and tap, 1, 2, 3, single step, triple step, and go, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2. And first thing you can practice at home is to keep going with this step to the music, tick, ticky, boom, and keep talking on top of that. That's the first very important coordination skill. First you'll be able to talk on top of that, then later you'll be able to move. And step, 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 and tap, and step, tap, step, tap, and step, 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 and great. On top of that, we'll start moving our arms. Arms are the first most natural body part that comes together with legs. So I'll show you the step first as a complete sequence, and then I will break it down. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hop, tiki, hop, tiki, hop, 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 tiki, hop, tiki, hop, tiki, hop, 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 tiki, hop, tiki, hop, tiki, hop, 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 tiki. Fantastic. So what we do with arms? Right up, right side, right up, side, and up, and side, and side. Very good. Now, I'll do it very, very slowly with legs, like extremely slowly. So you see every single beat part by part. So I start left leg, right arm, up, side, and side, up, side, side, up, side, and side, and up, and side, and side. Okay, I'll do the same again with a bit of tempo. 5, 6, 7, tiki, hop, hop, tick, tiki, hop, tick, 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 tick. Music stopped, but you don't stop. Tick, and tick, tick, tuku, and tick, tick, and tick, tick, puku, and tick, and tick, and tick, tick, puku, and tick, and up, and right and left, and up, and right and left, and up, and right and left. Okay, now we'll try to do the same with arms going twice faster. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll have twice faster tempo for arms. 5, 6, 7, go, and up, right, left, up, right, left, up, right, left, up, right, left, chick, chick, kum, kum, chick, chick, kum, kum. I'll do it very, very slowly with legs. 5, 6, 7, up, right, left, up, right, left, and up, right, left, and up, right, left, and up, right, left, and go. 1, 2, 3, and stay, 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 and go, and go, 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 and go. The same faster. 5, 6, 7, and tick, 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 cuckoo, 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 hop, 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 chick, 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 chicky, hop, 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 hop. Tuk, 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 tuku, tuk, 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 tuku. Okay. That's it for this episode. In the next one, I'll do more very basic body coordination exercises basing on the same step. So get the step ready, make sure you can do it fluently. I'll see you in the next episode, and to see it, don't forget to subscribe. Press this button. You can become a patron of our channel. You can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. All the links in the description below. If you want more exciting music, go to my Spotify as well. See you next time.